This is January 2009, Core 1, Question 2. Here's the question. I think it might be interesting just to look at the examiner's report first of all. It's quite alarming to see the number of students who are unable to factorise this quadratic. It's only question 2. So we're having a look at 2x squareds. So we know we're going to have to start with a 2x and an x. And we see it's positive at the end here and negative here, so they're both going to have to be negative. And really, we know it's got to be 3 and 1. Let's try it this way round. Now, even if you did try it that way round, you then notice, oh, I've got a minus x here and a minus 6x here, so we haven't got it round the right way. Well, it must be the other way round then, mustn't it? And there is the factorising that you were expected to get. Hence, or otherwise solve this inequality. So we've just discovered that this factorizes to give this, and we want this to be less than 0. We're expecting here you to do a quick sketch of this. Now the critical points here, when x is 1, because that would make it equal 0, but also here when x is equal to 3 over 2, because that would make that one 0. And the curve here is going to go down and up through there. And what do we want? We want less than 0, so we want the little bit in the middle here. We want the little bit in the middle. There's one part here, so I'm just looking at one statement when x is between these two values. Fill in the signs, check they're not less than or equal to's, which they're not, they're strict ones there. And so there we go. X is between 1 and 1.5.